Hi students, how are you all? Today we are going to discuss about one of the most important concept of linear equations chapter, which is very important for public examinations. That one is exercise 4.1, second question. It is regarding graphs, Nana. It is regarding graphs. So this question is very important for 6 marks in the public examination. Repeatedly they are asking. So very neatly I will explain. Listen that one. After that we will take few more important questions which are important for 2 marks questions or 4 marks questions. Okay na? Ready? Damn sure questions in the public examinations. Okay Nana? Now just observe that. Actually from this exercise most important questions are first bit, first and second questions. Already I explained that models in the previous video. So today we are going to discuss about graphical problems which are little bit lengthy. 6 marks questions only na, that's why. So those are little bit lengthy, so that's why I want to take this one as much more important one. If time favors we will go through fifth and sixth questions, right? What is that second question contains? They are saying check whether the given pair of linear equations are consistent or not, consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. They are saying solve them graphically. Okay, right. So this is the total problem. In that first question is 3x plus 2y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 7. Okay, Nana, right. So now how to solve this one? Solution. It is a long answer question, Nana. Already I told you that one. So given pair of linear equations in two variables are 3x plus 2y equal to 5 will become minus 5 equal to 0, and 2x minus 3y equal to 7 will become minus 7 equal to 0 when they comes to left side of the equality. Okay na? So now compare them with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Okay Nana? Then by the comparison of these two, a1 value equal to 3, therefore a1 equal to 3, b1 equal to 2 and c1 equal to minus 5. Compare these two second equations, then a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 3, c2 is equal to minus 7 will come. Okay, then to tell whether they are consistent or not, find out the ratios of x coefficients, then y coefficients, if necessary constants. Okay Nana, right. Now a1 by a2 x coefficients ratio I am calculating, that is 3 by 2. Down I am calculating b1 by b2 value, y coefficients ratio, that is equal to 2 by minus 3, which can also be written as minus 2 by 3. Okay na? Clearly we observe that x coefficients ratio a1 by a2 is 3 by 2, b1 by b2 value equal to minus 2 by 3. Clearly those ratios are not equal, so we identified that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, by this condition we have to recall the concept. So if this condition exists, then the lines are, the pair of linear equations are intersecting each other, they have unique solution. Unique means one and only one solution. Since they are having solution, they are said to be, they are consistent. If the linear equations are having solution, they are said to be consistent. And we observe that both are not equal, therefore the pair of linear equations are intersecting each other, automatically when they are intersecting each other like this, they will be having one and only one solution. That's why uniqueness will come. So since they have solution, they are said to be consistent. This is first part of the problem. So in 2 marks questions, they will ask you like this. They will give you pair of linear equations. They can ask you the question regarding whether they are intersecting each other or not, or parallel or coincide with each other in that model. Otherwise, how many solutions that the pair of linear equations will have? Does they have unique solution or no solution or infinitely many solutions? In that model also they can ask the question, same question. Third category will be there, that is asking about consistent or inconsistent. Whatever the model may be, but the process of doing the problem is this one. From this, justification has to given like this. So after giving the justification of consistency, they are asking to solve them graphically. We are finding unique solution, one solution, that one we need to find out graphically. Okay na? That is the next part. So in some of the examination, only this piece of question they will ask you. They will give you pair of linear equations, they will ask you solve them graphically. Okay na? That part, only that part they can ask you in the public examination for long answer question. Okay, I will explain that one right now. Okay Nana, now see how to prepare the graph of the given pair of linear equations, how to trace out the solution from that. Okay Nana, now we will go through the graphical representation of given two pair of linear equations. For that, we need to use the first equation, prepare a table to get at least 2 points of it to draw a straight line of it. Okay, then use the second equation, prepare its own table, generate minimum 2 points to draw its straight line. Okay, that is the part. From that representation in the graph, we will trace out the solution. Okay Nana, right? For that, table for 3x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0, I am going to prepare. So what is that pattern? This one is the pattern. You take x value and y value, that together gives us one ordered pair. Correct? Right. So minimum 2 points are necessary to draw a straight line. So how to trace out? What is the easiest method to trace out those 2 points? In most of the textbooks, in most of the study materials, they will give integral values, x related integral value of y, y related integral value of x. But in the public examination under CC pattern method, which is applicable for any question, I will tell you right now. That one is, take x value 0, find out its related y value. Take y value 0, find out its related x value. They together gives us minimum 2 points. Those are enough to draw a straight line. Okay Nana, that is the simplest and easiest method which is applicable for any equation, right? If x value is 0, substitute in this equation, then this is 3 into 0 plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0 will come, which implies 2y equal to 5. Therefore, y equal to 5 by 2, that is equal to 2.5. Decimal part is coming, no problem, take it. This is 2.5. So that together gives us 1 point, that is 0 comma 2.5. Okay Nana, right? Now what is the another method? Another observation, take y value 0, substitute here. So if y value 0, 3x plus 2 into 0, y value 0 minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, then 3x equal to 5, then x equal to 5 by 3. 5 by 3 means 3 ones are 3, 2 will remain, 3 6 are 8. So approximately it is 1.6 something. Okay Nana, right, you can take it. Right, what is the second point here? 1.6 comma 0. So plot these 2 points to get the straight line. of first equation. Okay, in the same way, table for second equation, 2x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0 will be prepared likewise. Simple process, nana, this one very simple process. Take x y values. When x equal to 0, find out suitable y value. When y equal to 0, find out suitable x value. If x equal to 0, this total term will become 0. Then minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Calculation part, minus 3y equal to 7. Then y equal to minus 7 by 3, that equal to minus 3 2s are 6 dot 10 will become 3 3s are 9. Okay na, approximately its value minus 2.3. Next, y value 0, this will become 0. Then this is 2x equal to 7 will come, x equal to 7 by 2, that is 3.5. This is 3.5. So what are the 2 points here? Ordered pair 0 comma minus 2.3 and 3.5 comma 0 are the 2 points. Plot them to get a straight line. So first these 2 points we have to plot on the graphical part, get its straight line, first straight line. Then plot these 2 points, join them, you will get the second straight line. Observe the positions. Okay nana, to consider this set of 2 points and this set of 2 points on the graphical sheet, I have taken one Cartesian system, x-axis and y-axis referring with origin. Okay nana, so now the scale is on 1 centimeter of the graph sheet. I have taken 1 unit. Okay, because these values are very simple. X values are 0, 1.6, 0, 3.5, and y values are 2.5, 0, minus 2.30, like that. Simple numbers only there na, so we can get them. So scale is 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. That is the scale, nana. We have to write scale here. Scale we have to write. Okay, right. Now what is the first equations? 2 necessary points, ordered pair 0 comma 2.5. To plot any point, you first start from origin. Its name only origin. And here x value 0 means on x-axis movement is 0. Then immediately consider y value 2.5. So start from origin. X value 0 means x movement 0. Y value 2.5 means this is 1, 2, here is 3. In the middle here, this is the required point. Ordered pair 0 comma 2.5 will be there on y-axis at that one. Okay nana, right. This is the point. Immediately write the coordinates. This is 0 comma 2.5. That reference. Next, the second point is ordered pair 1.6 comma 0. 1.6 and little bit away, so you can take it. So start from origin. X value 1.6 means after 1 at the 6th millimeter you have to consider. Roughly I am taking here. And y value 0 only na, so vertical movement 0, therefore final destination of the point is this one. So plot that one, 1.6 comma 0, and write the coordinates. Okay Rana, right. Now 2 points of the first straight lines are plotted, join them with scale, draw a straight line. Join them neatly. Okay Nana, that's it. This is the point, join them neatly. Next, come to the second straight lines 2 points. It is ordered pair 0 comma minus 2.3. Starts from origin. X value 0 means x moment 0. Y value minus 2.3 means come down, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Approximately here it will be there. This is ordered pair 0 comma minus 2.3. First point. And the second one is ordered pair 3.5 comma 0. Start from origin. X value 1, 2, 3, 3.5, y value 0, vertical moment 0. So this will be the final destination. Okay, this is 3.5 comma 0. Okay Nana, join these 2 points with scale. join these 2 points with scale. So this representing second equation, 2x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0, whereas this one representing first equation, 3x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Now clearly we observe that both are intersecting each other. In the earlier case, according to algebraic problem, to tell whether they are consistent or not, we verified a1 by b1, a2 by b2 ratios. We observed that both are not equal. Then we said that the lines are intersecting. Just you see, both the straight lines are intersecting each other. What is that intersecting point here? For this intersecting point, here will be the x value. This gives you y value. Okay, Nana? Here, roughly I have drawn. If you draw that one in your graph paper, you will get exact answer. Okay, right. You see, roughly I have drawn two straight lines. I got the intersecting point. That is going to give us the solution. Here, exact values in this rough diagram we may not get, but roughly you can see. So this intersecting points x coordinate comes when you go upon to the x-axis, that is approximately 2.3 like that. Here when you come this side towards the y-axis, you are going to get y coordinate. Approximately this value is 2.3 comma minus 0.9 approximately. Okay, if you try the same method in your graph sheet, you will get exact value. Nana, exact value means minute error will be there in representing the points. Okay, so that's not a big problem. You please come to know that integer values are not compulsory for all the given problems. Decimal values will also come. Please keep it in mind. Get the solution, give that explanation. From the graph, the solution is ordered pair 2.3 comma minus 0.9. Okay, na? This is the solution for given pair of linear equations in two variable. Very simple process, Nana. Very simple and very easy to understand. Okay, so while doing the calculation, be careful. Right. Okay, Nana. Second Roman, first problem in the graphical method, I had given full explanation. Okay. Now in the same model, we will try to take the second problem. Second problem in the second bit is solve the pair of linear equations graphically. Means it is a graphical problem. Long answer question. How to solve it? In detail, neatly I will explain right now. Like previous problem. Understood? Listen to me carefully. Solution: given pair of linear equations in two variables are 2x minus 3y minus 8 equal to 0 and 4x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0 in their proper representation. Here, directly from the equation, the coefficient values a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to minus 3, c1 equal to minus 8. From the second equation, a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to minus 6, c2 equal to minus 9. These are the coefficients. Therefore, calculate a1 by a2 value, b1 by b2 value, c1 by c2 value, compare them to tell whether they are consistent or not. Here simply I am telling a1 by a2 value equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. Next, b1 by b2 value is equal to minus 3 by minus 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. Both are equal. So calculate c1 by c2 value, that is equal to minus 8 by minus 9, which is equal to 8 by 9. Therefore, our observation is a1 by a2 is equal to, okay, Nana, b1 by b2 which is not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, they are means pair of linear equations are parallel. They are parallel. So, no solution. No solution will be there. Therefore, they are inconsistent. So that is the first part. Next, they are asking solve them graphically. Means we observe that the lines are parallel. We need to get them graphically. So already I told you, prepare the tables for that. Table for first equation, 2x minus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. So for that, simple and neat table, simple and neat table. Take x value, y values together. If x equal to 0, what is y value? Try to get. If y equal to 0, what is x value? Try to get. Here directly, if x value is 0, 2x will become 0, minus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, then minus 3y equal to 8, then y equal to minus 8 by 3, this is equal to minus 3 2s are 6 dot 20 will be there, 3 6 are 18. So this is minus 2.6 approximately. If y value is 0, this total will become 0, 2x minus 8 equal to 0, then 2x equal to 8, therefore x equal to 4. Understood, Nana? X equal to 4. So what are the 2 points here? Plot 0 comma minus 2.6 and 4 comma 0 on the Cartesian system. Okay, Nana? In the same way, prepare the second table's point. What is the second table point here? Table for 4x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. So for that, prepare the simple table, Nana, using x value, y value as the fundamental numerical values. If x is 0, what is y value? Get it. If y is 0, what is x value? Get it. If x is 0, calculate this. This total term will become 0. Minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Then minus 6y equal to 9. Y equal to minus 9 by 6, that is minus 3 by 2, which is equal to minus 1.5. Its value minus 1.5. Got it, Nana? That is the calculation. Do that one in rough. You have to show it to the evaluator. Next, if y value 0, this total minus 6y will become 0. Then it remains 4x equal to 9. Then x equal to 4 by 9, 9 by 4. 9 by 4. That is equal to 4 2s are 8 dot 10. 4 2s are 8. So 2.2 approximately. Those are approximate values. This is 2.2. So these are enough, Nana. So integral values may come or decimal values will come. For any equation you can apply x0 what is y, y0 what is x. They gives you direct 2 points. One is existing on x-axis, another one is existing on y-axis. Now plot first point 0 comma minus 1.5 and the second point 2.2 comma 0 on the graph. Prepare the graph, Nana, table. So you write the scale here, Nana. Scale means on x-axis given 1 centimeter of the graph sheet is taken how many units? How many units? So these values are simple values, that's why I am taking 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Same on y-axis also, I am taking 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit only. That is the scale. Compulsory you have to write. That is the Cartesian system. This one is the Cartesian system with the proper scale. Nana. Plot the first 2 points of first straight line, join them with scale. You will get straight line. What are they? Ordered by 0 comma minus 2.6. Start from origin. 0 comma minus 2.6 means x value 0, y value is there, means the point lies on y axis. So this is from origin, no movement on x axis. Y value minus 2.6 means minus 1 minus 2, here it will be This is 0 comma minus 2.6, that point. Next one, ordered pair 4 comma 0. X coordinate is there, y value 0 means the point lies on x axis. From origin x value 0. This is 4 comma 0. Join these 2 points properly. Join these 2 points properly like this using scale and pencil. Okay, Nana? Right. That is 2x minus 3y minus 8 equal to 0 straight line. Next 2 points of the second straight line. Ordered pair 0 comma minus 1.5 means x coordinate 0, y value is negative means the point lies on y coordinate. So okay na, this is ordered pair 0 comma 1.5 means here will be the point. This is 0 comma minus 1.5, first point. So change the origin, write it clear here. Okay na, right. Next, what is the point? Ordered pair 2.2 comma 0. This is x coordinate is there, y value 0 means the point exists on x axis. So from origin x value 2.2, y value 0. This is 2.2 comma 0. Join these two straight lines points, neatly draw the straight line. Draw the straight line, Nana. You please observe that this equation is 4x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. This straight line equation is this. Now you please observe that first straight line is this, second straight line is this. You can observe both are parallel. That only now we got here, both are parallel. So from write that conclusion. From the graph, two lines are parallel, therefore they have no solutions. No solution. That is the conclusion. Is it clear, Nana? So any two pair of linear equations in two variables they can give. We have to identify the coefficients, get the relation between the coefficients ratio, identify the pattern between them. Okay, that if you want to draw the graph, prepare the first equations table and related 2 points, second equations table related 2 points, plot them properly, join them, you will get the straight lines. From the straight lines you identify. So this one is the rough graph only, na rough Cartesian system. That's why it is there like this. If you follow the same pattern on the graph sheet using scale and pencil, you will get very beautiful pair of straight lines which are having no solution. That is the conclusion. Okay, na? Right. Now see that after the completion of two problems of the second bit in the graphical model, we are going to enter into fifth and sixth questions, Nana. Fifth question and sixth question, though both are word problems. Okay, na? We need to convert those word problems to solve them. But in Telangana textbook, they said solve them graphically, Nana. So like that, in less number of times only they will ask you. But these model word problems are regularly asking for 2 marks to solve them either elimination method or in substitution method. Okay, the question contains the cost of 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50 rupees and 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost 46 rupees. Then find the cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen. Okay, na? That is the word problem. Na? So one beautiful observation I am trying to tell you right now. In pair of linear equation in two variables, conversion of word problem into equations is very, very, very important, because outside problems only they will ask you in the examination. One simple logic I will tell you. In the question, they will ask you to find something. Whatever they are asking to find something, those two objectives will become two variables. Here find cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen. So cost of 1 pencil, cost of 1 pen will become x and y, two variables. and the two conditions they will give you. First condition, second condition. These two conditions will give you pair of equations. So whatever they are asking to find, those two objectives gives you will become two variables, two conditions will gives you two equations. Follow this system to generate the equations very easily without confusion. Okay, how to do that problem? Solution. Using the problem only we have to write the matter. Okay, let the cost of one pencil equal to x rupees. X rupees, and the cost of one pen is equal to y rupees. Therefore, the first condition gives 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50, means 5 pencils cost plus 7 pens cost together means plus cost equal to 50 rupees. This is equation 1. Second condition gives you second equation, 7 pencils, 5 pens together cost 46 rupees. Equation 2. Actually, elimination method, substitution method did not start in exercise 1, but in the public examination automatically after the completion of total syllabus only, so you can apply any one of the method. If they are asking in graphical method, probably they will not ask you graphical method. So if they are asking elimination method, use elimination method, or if they are asking substitution method to apply the substitution method. I am choosing elimination method. So by elimination method, what I have to do is eliminate one of the variable to get the other variable. Eliminate one of the variable. If you try to eliminate x, you will get y value first. From that y, we have a chance to get x value. Okay, no, if you are trying to eliminate variable y, first you will get x variable value, from that you will get y variable value. That is the process. So it is your chance, it is your wish to eliminate the variable. You may eliminate x or y, it is your wish. So here I want to eliminate x nana, because x coefficients are different, y coefficients are also different, and which is easiest to eliminate, choose that variable to eliminate first. Okay, so here both are having no easy method, both are having same priority, so I am trying to eliminate x variable. So to eliminate x variable, their coefficients must be same. To make the coefficient same, here 5 is there, here 7 is there, both are co-primes to each other. Multiply equation 1 with 7, and equation 2 with 5. Then 7 multiplies here will become 35, 5 multiplies here will become 35, that is their LCM value. Okay, Nana? So their coefficients must be same. If their signs are same, subtract them. If their signs are different, add them. If both are positive or both are negative, subtract the equation. If one is positive, one is negative, just add them, they will get cancelled. So since both are positive, I am trying to subtract them to get the answer. So equation 1 into 7 means this total equation into 7, that is 7 5s are 35x plus 7 7s are 49y equal to 7 5s are 350. Equation 2 into 5, total equation into 5, that is 7 5s are 35x plus 5 5s are 25y equal to 46 5s are 5 6 are 30, 5 4s are 20, 230, it is 230. So since x coefficients are all same and since they have same sign, subtract them, then only they will get cancelled. Plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. So 35x minus 35x get cancelled. 49y minus 25y is 24y is equal to 350 minus 230 is equal to 120. So this implies y is equal to 120 by 24, 10 to 24 5 times. So y value we got 5. Therefore variable y equal to 5. Observe that, Nana. We eliminate variable x, by that we got the variable value 5. Using this 5, substitute either in equation 1 or in equation 2, you will get x variable. Okay, equation 1 implies, it is your wish, Nana, which equation is simple to you, substitute in that. Equation 1 implies 5x plus 7 into y value 5 equal to how much, Nana? 50. This implies 5x equal to 50. 7 5s are 35, coming here as minus 35. That implies 5x equal to 15. So 5 1s are 5 3s are. Therefore x equal to 3. Okay, we got variable x value also. What are they actually? Conclude the answer according to the question. Find the cost of one pencil and one pen. Therefore cost of one pencil, that is nothing but x, that is equal to 3 rupees. 3 rupees symbol. And cost of one pen is equal to y, that y value is 5, that is 5 rupees. In this way you have to answer the word problems. Once again listen, Nana. If there is a word problem, whatever they are asking to find, those two things will become two variables, and the given two conditions will gives you two equations. Use the suitable method, either elimination method or substitution method according to question. Okay, here I applied elimination method. I try to eliminate x variable so that I got y variable first. Substitute in equation 1 or equation 2, you will get second variable. Conclude the answer properly. This is very important for 2 marks, sometimes for 4 marks. Sixth question is also important. In the same model, please try to do, you will get the answer. So these are all the sample models to understand the concept. In the exam CC pattern, outside problems only they will ask you, go through the additional worksheets. All the best, Nana. In the next video we will discuss about exercise 4.2 concept and problems. Have a good day.